Hi everyone! So I have a design team package from BeeBeeCrafts.com. They reached out and asked to do another collaboration. I love their products. Of course I said yes. They offer free shipping when you spend $25 or more, which is fabulous. They are overseas, so it does take about 2 weeks to get it, which I don't think is bad at all. And they sent a coupon code, which is Nicole10, to save 10% off of your purchase. So I don't often show, and I wanted to do that with them, how they send it. I appreciate that they double bubble wrap their stuff. So I have never ever had a problem with anything coming damaged. So this is a bubble mailer that it comes in. Then inside of that is another bubble little mailer here. So I love that everything's nice and secure. And then look, these are glass beads and it is bubble wrapped again and all taped up. I super appreciate that. So I just wanted to share that because that I think is like a big deciding factor on when buying items that you know are getting shipped to you. You don't want anything broken and have to do the hassle of returning it or putting in a claim. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. So Halloween season is upon us and I am so excited. So for $1.59, look at this yummy goodness. We have orange cats, orange pumpkins, purple stars, black witches. And I think that is all that's in here. Super cute. Can't wait to put that into a mix. We have iridescent black beads. These are AMM beads. You get 200 pieces for $1. What is that? $1.89. And look at how pretty those are with that little like iridescence, little oil slick feature going on to them. Really pretty. Love those. And these have a large hole on them that they will definitely go through a pokey tool, and I'm thinking quite possibly a beadable pin. I just need to remember to have a beadable pin on hand out here so that way I could just go ahead and see if it works so I can share with you guys. And no, I don't have one, but that will for sure fit a pokey tool. Let me open this one. So this was on the more pricier end. This was $8.27. It was listed as 1 strand of little ghost beads, and I did receive 10. Now, all of it is glass. The eyes, the mouth, the little ghosty. He has like a little like tail end right here. They're really cute. So I just love those. I cannot wait to make a little chunky charm out of those. And then for $1.99, it's a 10-piece of little witches hats. And look at, they're like in a matte finish. I think that is so pretty. You can definitely take like a Sharpie or a fine little paintbrush and just go around the edge right here and put, you know, some purple, some orange, whatever kind of color you want, just to make that look, you know, a little bit more fancy, or just leave them plain black like that. I think those are beautiful. And then look at this one. I am so excited for this one right here. It is a bow set. So this one was $7.89, but you get a variety of pieces to make some little bows. So here you can make a bow and you have a ghost, a skull witch's hat, a different style of ghost, a jack-o'-lantern that kind of looks like Jack Skellington. You get the little tail ends to put like little spider webs peeping out. Then here's your bottom and here's your bow. But doesn't that look like a little bat too? I think that is so cute. And then over here you have candy, you have a spider, you have a little skull hand. There's a cross, a little black cat, and a little bat. And then here are some more layering pieces to make the like, these are the like the bubble end of the bow, you know? So you get a little variety right there as well. So cute. I can't wait to put this one together and share with you guys what that one looks like. I'm sure they're going to be absolutely gorgeous. Then this one was $8.49, and it doesn't say how many pieces are in here. This says one set, and these are black little bat wings. Let me pull one of them out right here. Look at how cute. Oh, let's see. So there has to be a left and a right side then. These all can't be the same way. Okay, hold on. Whew, you guys, I was panicking for a minute because they were all coming out with the right wing only. And finally, I found the left one in there. So it was just kind of like down towards the bottom. So yes, you get each side of the little wings. They are like little squishy appliques, super cute, super shiny. Love these. If you have some paper dolls, you can add these to them. If you want to do like maybe your kids from Halloween and then like stick this behind their photo so it looks like your kids have these little wings for like scrapbooking, you can layer these down for embellishments, you know, then like add something to the center. That'd be a really cute hair bow actually. So yes, lots of little options to go ahead and use these little wings for. I'm super excited for those. I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. And our next one here, oh my gosh, I am dying. Let's see, how many pieces? 20 pieces, $7.69. Now these look like the little bow tie from Jack Skellington. So as soon as I saw these, I was like, yes, need those in my life immediately. So beautiful. Now these do have like that little iridescent oil slick to them, but you can easily paint them like no problem. Just paint them black like Jack's little bow tie. So yes, Chunky Charm, here we come. I have just about everything I need to go ahead and create that. And then they had neon skull beads. I don't have much neon in my stash, but I thought these were really cool, especially for like Day of the Dead. I definitely want to do a couple of projects for that. So I thought that these would be perfect because they're just so colorful. And the paint job is well done on those. Like, look at the eyes. Like, really nicely done there. So those are just pretty. So we have a yellow, a pink, an orange, a blue, a purple, a green. I think that's all of those. Let's see. This was 100 pieces, $1.89. You guys, we cannot beat that price right there. Next up, we have some more beads. And I love that this one comes in a case of itself. So easy to storage and put away. So we have, oh, you know what? I should have kept the packaging. Let me pull that out. Does it have the sizes on here? No, it doesn't. Oh, but it was $10.49 in case I didn't say that. No, I was hoping it would tell me what size the beads are, but it doesn't. So these are a little bit more like pastel. So we have orange, purple, green. And then they have these like little white dots in the center. These are larger than the next one. So let's see. These are 8mm. So I'm going to guess that these are the same. And I'm going to guess that these are probably a 12. That would be my guess. But these will definitely fit on to a pokey tool. Let me pull one out. Yeah, definitely fit on a pokey tool. Possibly on a beadable pin. So we'll figure that out. I'll do my next video. Will be project shares, and then I'll figure out if they do fit on a beadable pin and a pokey tool or not. So I'll definitely share that in a video. That way it just gives you guys a little bit of help in figuring that out. And then look at these. I wanted the black and white ones, was the main reason why I got these, because I'm dying to do a Nightmare Before Christmas project. So these are going to be perfect for Jack Skellington right here. Love those. I love this dark purple pearl. That's so pretty. Then we have some orange. Just gorgeous. Oh, and there's a little black too. Love that. So these, I would say, are probably 8s. Yeah, these look about the same size. So if these are 8s, these are probably 8s as well. And these have the larger hole on them also. So look at that. Pokey tool, no problem. Now we just need to test them out and see if they'll fit on a beadable pin or not. So like I said, in the next coming up video, I'll definitely pull out, you know, some of my stash so we can go ahead and try out and see what works, what doesn't, and then we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little like haul sharing unboxing video. If you guys ever have any suggestions, like if you see me get something like, ooh, I think you should make, you know, XYZ, let me know. I'll be more than happy to try to go ahead and put together some of your guys' suggestions. So that's our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.